The pressure for students to excel on the SAT exam is high. A new solution has emerged. Examily, a SAT prep platform, introduces AI Tutor Nova, a revolutionary tool for SAT preparation. Nova's cutting-edge technology is changing the way students study. Imagine a personal tutor available 24/7, guiding you through SAT practice questions. This tutor provides instant feedback and tailors study plans to your needs. This personalized approach boosts SAT performance. It also instills confidence in students as they tackle the SAT's challenges. Gone are the days of generic study materials. Nova's AI technology analyzes student performance data to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses. Every study session is maximally productive. Nova adapts to each student's unique learning style, creating a customized study experience. This engaging and effective method leads to success on the SAT. With Nova, students feel empowered and motivated to reach their full potential. Join the countless students who have benefited from this groundbreaking AI tutor. Take the first step towards achieving your dream SAT score. Prepare with Examily, featuring unbeatable pricing and the most comprehensive SAT prep plans in the market. Why pay more when you can get 15 full-length digital SAT tests, 1,000 Ask Nova AI tutor chats, real-time feedback, 20 topic-wise tests per subject, 3 diagnostic SAT tests, and so much more. Examily offers the most extensive SAT practice question bank to help you score higher and master every concept. Paired with our advanced AI tutor, your path to success is smarter and faster. Why choose Examily? Largest SAT question bank. More questions, more practice, better scores. AI-powered tutor, personalized, instant feedback to help you improve. Practice anytime, anywhere, with easy access on all devices. Don't settle for less when you can prepare with the best. Join Examily today and crush your SAT goals. And get your dream SAT score and admission in Dream College.